Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at it again. Today we're working the Mitsubishi Eclipse 2000. So we got this car from the auction. So it was abandoned for about 5 years. So we had to pay those tags. Alright, so we already removed the tint. As you can see, the glue is still there. It's all over right here. Alright, so what we're going to do is remove that glue. Alright, let me show you real quick. See the driver's side? I already removed the glue. So we just need the passenger side now. Alright, just gonna remove that. So all you're gonna need is a Windex or any windows cleaner. Just spray it. Use a brand new blade. Just scrape it off. I'll show you right now. Just gonna get started. See all that glue on it. So I'm gonna do two sections since this window is really spacious, really big. Start from right here on this side. See right now. See all that glue. All that glue. So yeah, go ahead and grab a green towel. See all that. See all the glue. So that's all to it. You want to make sure you don't miss anything. You might want to do it twice. So we got half of it. Now let's do the other half. Last section right here. As you can see, there's a lot right there. That section right there. That's the left section. So after you clean it about 2 times, go ahead and give this final spray, wipe it off. Alright, so that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.